So guys, on this video I'll be sharing with you a website that provides you with high quality design resources and assets that can come in handy whenever you're working on a design project. Please, a quick disclaimer, this is not a promotional video but rather a video that can help you as a designer in search of resources. So the name of this website is called resourceboy.com, and over here we have the resourceboy.com dashboard. On this website there are a wide range of resources you can get, ranging from textures, text effects, mockups, gradients, brushes, patterns, and the rest of them. So the next thing I would like to do is to walk you through on how to navigate the dashboard of this website and how to download the resources for free. Okay, so first thing first here, I would like to go under the category of textures for illustration purpose, and over here there are lots of textures ranging from noise, scramble, blood texture, dollar texture, ink texture. There are a wide range of textures over here, and all you have to do is to click on the one you actually want to download. For illustration purpose, I'll click on this. For example, I need this, so I can come over here and it will give me a preview of how this particular texture looks like. I can also click on see more here to actually see more information about this texture and read more about this particular texture. So if I'm done with that and I intend to download this, all I have to do is to come over here and click on free download, and it will start downloading directly into your device. Okay, so furthermore, you can narrow down your search by using the search panel as well to impute your keywords of what you're actually looking for. For example, I might be looking for a mockup for a book design. Okay, I might search book mockup, for example, over here on the search. Okay, and hit the enter key to give the result. Over here is the result for the search I just made, and you can see over here there are varieties of mockups you can actually download. I might choose to come over here and click on this, and it will take you to this other panel over here to give you a preview of that particular mockup. You can also go further to read more about that particular mockup and other information that is needed. You get it from there, and over here you can see that this is licensed and can be used for personal and commercial use, and compatibility can be used on Photoshop. Category is also categorized under book mockup. So if you intend to download this particular resource, you can go further to click on the free download button over here, and it will take you to another tab over here. And over here on the new transfer tab, it will give you further details about the product and the actual creator of this product and when it was actually published. Here is the actual size of this particular mockup, and you can furthermore click on free download, and you have to wait a little and it starts downloading into your PC. So guys, if you do find this video helpful, do well to give it a like and follow for more tips.